Hello? What a dickhead. 112 Ei8ht.
Prick. He was on the right hand lane.
Yeah. Right hand lane for the second exit on the 5 exit roundabout.
Yeah.
The music videos for it is slightly weird. It's like the Xylons from Battlestar Galactica in the Wild West. Come ride with me through the mystery. I'll show you. Well, that's no good, is it? Mum's now going to be given the information. You're on double yellow lines, you dickwad. Has it been abandoned?
Stolen and kids have run off? Who knows? You're welcome, guys. Full day.
Yeah.
And even if we still got to wait at 1:45, that means we wouldn't get away till 2. Woo!
Oh, he nearly went straight off his arse.
Wouldn't get away till 2, so it's only an hour earlier than so.
Vauxhall, British brand since 1903. Search Vauxhall Combo.
Pop into Sainsbury's this festive season with carrots, parsnips and Brussels sprouts.
Yeah, she's driving on the wrong side of the road now.
Sainsbury's, live well for less.
Sainsbury's, that's not a lane.
No, you've got red light.
Oh yeah, they both went through a red light.
There'd be a web page or something.
Oh, you'd have thought. No, it's normally social media that advertise that.
You're ridiculous. You're welcome.
Shouldn't be down this road anyway.
No.
They're prohibited. To 6 months rather than 18 weeks.
So not even I will be able to retrieve it. If you try to restart the
I don't know. Do you want to get out of the road, guys?
$1,000 files as punishment.
Good.
So